we are being asked to evaluate something grammatically, but for the first time, we can use what is known as the vertical line test. And we are going to consider whether the pieces of information on either side of where the punctuation is presented in the answer choices could stand alone as its own independent sentence or not. So let's just read up to value, because we're going to have value on one side, and then we're going to have, I'm going to leave it as nothing right now except for when. So we can see whether or not we need that but as well. So before, typically underlines, scribbles, and notes left in the margins by a former owner lower a book's value. Well, that seems like a complete sentence to me, so that's certainly complete. Now, after, if we just pick up without the but, when the former owner is a famous poet like Walt Whitman, such markings known as marginalia can be a goldmine to literary scholars. Well, without the but, it's also complete. And we can't have two complete independent clauses interrupted by just a comma or no punctuation at all. So we should be able to eliminate B and C immediately for that reason. Similarly, if we were to just have value without a comma before the but, we still have a complete idea. Now, if we were to change the item after the comma to a but, however, well, we know everything up to value is still a complete idea. But if we start our second part with but when the former owner is a famous poet like Walt Whitman, such markings known as marginalia can be a gold mine to literary scholars. Well, because we started with but, it now becomes incomplete. And that's how the comma but is going to function. It's the fanboys that you might know through your study of grammar in the past, but we'll move on to the next question knowing that A is the right answer.